This tutorial shows how to convert text to a table in Microsoft Word. You can convert a paragraph or list of text into a table by designating where the text should be separated into table columns and rows. To do this, click the Show Hide button to show formatting marks. This is important so you can see exactly what marks and spaces are in between your text. Here there are commas and tabs separating the text. You want to make sure to separate all text with tabs. We'll replace all commas and spaces with tabs. Delete each comma and space and press the Tab key on your keyboard. Now we're ready to convert the text into a table. Select all of the text that you want to convert. Click Insert, Table, Convert Text to Table. The Convert Text to Table dialog box displays. In the dialog box, select the appropriate options. Verify the number of columns and rows. For this example, 3 columns and 7 rows is correct. The fixed column width defaults to auto. This is correct for our example. If you want to change this, you can do so by clicking the up arrow to increase the width. Notice that tabs is the default for the Separate Text At section. We'll keep the default. Click OK. The text is now converted to a table. However, we still need to format the table. Select the first line of the table. This is our table header row. Select Table Header on the Styles pane. Then select the remaining text in the table and select Table Text Left on the Styles pane. Our text is now converted to a table and formatted properly. For all of your technical writing needs, go to www.sheaws.com.